Hello, hello, and welcome to the Feliz Hotel here in Boracay, which is quite a new hotel. It was only opened in like 2018, and you can tell from the outside that it still looks really, really modern. Sort of a Mediterranean sort of style hotel, Spanish sort of style. From what we've seen so far from the pictures, it looks really, really nice. And from the outside, it looks absolutely incredible. One thing I should also mention is that this is in D Mall in Station 2. Really easy to get to. You can get a trike, which brings you straight to the front of the hotel. Unlike other hotels in D Mall, you have to walk to get to the hotel. Even some of the ones on the beachfront, you have to walk to get to it. So this is super convenient. You go straight through the wet market and it brings you straight to the front of the hotel. So you don't have to lug your bags around. So definitely thumbs up in that respect. Definitely one of the more easy hotels for you to get to, especially if you've got a lot of stuff and you're here for a long time. So now let's get inside and let's have a look around. Time to have a look and see what the breakfast buffet is like here at the Feliz Hotel, where we're currently sat outside in the courtyard area, which is pretty nice at the moment. It's not overly hot, but it's still really early in the morning, like 8:30. We've got the nice views of the water fountain. We've got water fountain over there, the main entrance here, and then some bits of food around there. But what I will do is take you inside where I think the main food is, but I don't really know yet. It's new for me as well, so let's go have a look. So we have juices, iced tea, orange juice, coffees, glasses, milk, fresh milk as well, which is always nice, syrups, and then bits and bobs, teas, English breakfast tea, which I like, Earl Grey, which I like, and sauces and bits and bobs. Then we have pork adobo, chicken skewer, chicken sausage, fish, fried vegetables or chop suey, scrambled eggs, pancit, some kind of rice with ham in, I think. And we've got just ham, pre-made fried eggs with a sign there. Congee or soup. I'm not sure what that one is. Oh, pumpkin soup. So it says. Then we've got lots of fresh fruits and salads. Then there were some more bits which are outside, so I'll show you those now. Hey, good morning. So outside we have cornflakes, chocolate cornflakes, cakes, more cakes, some of those, lots of nice fresh breads which you can cut yourself, and then we have some waffles. Is that a pancake? More different types of breads, and then of course toaster. So hopefully we're not overindulged and I've had a sore tummy for a while now. We've gone for some fried egg, some of the ham rice, which I haven't seen ham rice before. I was expecting it to be garlic rice for breakfast. Chicken sausages, adobo, and then chicken skewer. So let's go with some of the adobo first, because that's usually my favourite. It's good. Eggs are good as well, actually. The ones that were sat there waiting to be picked up. A chicken sausage, which I'm not used to because we don't usually have them at home. You get pork sausages, not chicken sausages. I can't complain, I like chicken. And we've got the chicken skewer. It's like chicken barbecue. We can wash it all down with a nice white coffee with milk, not creamer. Which always makes a massive difference having milk in it. So let's see the rest of this. And we made it to the top floor of the Feliz, where we have the swimming pool, which doesn't have the best view. You can see the sea in the distance, but what does the pool feel like? Need to be careful of this so it doesn't get wet. It's nice and refreshing, actually. Not too warm, not too cold. Yeah, definitely. And we've got, I'll show you the background, well, the view. So you can see in the distance all the way around here, trees, buildings over there where it'll be D-Mall and bits and bobs, more hotels over there in the distance, and obviously the mountains where it is, the mainland. But they've got lots of deck chairs up here, lots of places for you to sit here, sit out and chill. They've got like a little mini bar as well, I think. I'm not sure what it is. It's like a little kitchen area over here. If I come down, go through the glass. There's like that little kitchen there, more seats. So definitely lots of space out here. And at the moment there's only one person sitting up here, but it's cloudy at the moment, so you would have thought it'd be busier because you wouldn't get as sunburnt. But I think that we'll leave this here for now, and then I'll come and show you the room in a minute. It actually looks like the one I was just in was a kiddie pool, because there's one just behind me here that goes to 4 feet, which is obviously a lot deeper than the one I was just in before. But you can see from here, we've got the Tide swimming pool over there in the distance. There's Tide swimming pool there, all of D-Mall. And let's see what this one feels like. Yeah, pretty much the same. Just the right temperature to keep you cool. And then we come over here. Be careful not to get wet or fall into the pool. We have the front of the hotel down there. All the roofs of the shops from D-Mall. So again, that's the Tide swimming pool. That's a building site. And then mountains in the distance where you go over, and that sort of takes you to Crimson Hotel and Puka Beach and all that stuff. Then you've got Boracay Beach, which you can see on the other side where you do activities and wakeboarding, not wakeboarding, what's it called? Windsurfing and all that kind of stuff over there. Right, now I'll leave it, we'll go back downstairs, then I'll show you what the room looks like. And this is what a room here at the Feliz looks like. So I'll give you a quick room tour. So we have the bathroom with a nice toilet, gigantic shower. Let's move this towel out of the way so we can get in. We have a big shower heads, lots of space. And it comes with shower gel, conditioner and shampoo and some soap. Lots of space in here. We turn the camera around. You can easily fit me in here. And maybe like 2 other people, 3 other people. It's huge. Then we come out of the shower, we have sink 1 and then sink number 2, a gigantic bath, which is absolutely huge, with this big, what's it called? Tap and a shower. Then we come back out, we've got cupboards, which I don't know what's inside. It's just an empty cupboard. Thought there might be something. Oh, we've got an umbrella and slippers, which is quite useful actually, because we wanted an umbrella yesterday because it was pouring. Storage space, bin, and we've got kettle. You get big bottles of water, complimentary. That'd be for ice. Then in here we have, I think this is where the coffee is. Yeah. So you have tea, sugars, cups, coffee cups, saucers, spoons. Then we have big television, Reg at the makeup station, some leftover birthday cake for Reg's birthday, seating area, which has like a wraparound Juliet balcony, and then of course a massive double bed. So all that's left to do now is do a bed test. It's very comfortable, and I can confirm it's very comfy. I've slept in here for 2 nights, and as soon as you lay down and you want to fall asleep, it's perfect. And something I must add as well, next to the beds are really good sockets, which you can plug UK plugs into. I think they take French or European, American, so all different plug types, which is really, really handy. At least you don't have to take different adapters with you. You can just plug whatever plug you need to into there. So it makes life super, super easy, yeah. But anyway, we hope you found this tour of the Feliz useful. It's definitely a really nice hotel, definitely one to check out. Reasonably priced in the centre of D Mall, easy to get to everywhere, and you can also get dropped off directly outside the hotel going through the wet market. So super easy to get to. You don't have to drag all your bags through D Mall if you're going to Tides or other hotels, you have to carry your bags along the beach. So definitely worth checking out. And it's still really, really modern. Probably one of the nicest hotels we've stayed in Boracay.
I think in all the years that I've been coming here to Boracay, this has got to be one of the best hotels. I've stayed in Discovery Shores, The Lind, 2 Seasons, Waling. Some of like the nicest hotels in Station 1. But I have to say that this hotel is like an underrated hotel. It has like the best facilities, a great location if you don't mind not being on like right in front of the beach. It's priced just reasonably. Their food is okay. And plus, more than anything, their staff, they're all amazing. They're so friendly.
Yeah, so definitely check this one out. Hope you find this video useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.